running out of here, and I'm gonna bring this screen back up here. Alright, wanting to redo this video 3, getting started, the product knowledge video, teaching us about pretty much how to log into the app, how to check the affiliate back end, to navigate through the affiliate dashboard, how to find your link, check your earnings, pretty much do everything, the tools and resources, diving deeper into the product lines, the best sellers, and I'll wrap the video up after that. But we'll use this video to learn pretty much how to navigate through the app. So going and getting into topic 1, setting up your account. First, I want to make sure we go over how to sign up for the affiliate program. So all they do is come over to the website, and either the influencer or the affiliate program all takes you either to the influencer or affiliate group in the app, which pretty much gives you the opportunity to earn. Influencers, the only difference are they're a little bit more active in front of the camera. Affiliates don't need to be, they just are affiliated with the company and are sending the link to their clients or their people that are interested in getting a piece of jewelry and things of that nature. They can assist them with filling out the forms and stuff. But the influencer will be doing more video content and stuff like that. So both of them are highly valuable, and this is how you get started for either one of them. Both of them are pretty much the same thing. Influencers like that get the opportunity to make a little bit more income. Here's the landing page. Same thing, form, get started. You want to visit the app, but before we do that, just make sure if you're inside of the app, at the end of this video, you mark this video as complete, so you get credit for this video. So the first thing we want to do is go to app.cowboyyvvs.com. Right here, like I said, this is looked at as the phone for right now, but you can see I just typed in cowboyyvvs.com, and you just hit login right here. Once you get to login, I'm gonna navigate through the affiliate dashboard, find your link, all of these things. So this is how it looks on your phone when you get inside of it, and if you want to get to the desktop version, this will pretty much be how it looks. So I'm gonna go back to the phone version. Right here, I like how you can get to the communities and everything pretty fast. I was going to the affiliate portal, so you would want to go back. Let's see here, down here you can hit profile, and you want to get to these dots. However you can get to those dots, you want to hit these 3 dots and then affiliates. So we're going to navigate back to the home section. We'll blow it up because sometimes on the phone it's hard to get to the home button, but right here you just want to navigate through here, like kind of scroll over to the affiliate section, or up here in the 3 dots you can get to the affiliate zone, and I'll show you how to get to your link and everything as well. So this is your custom link right here. You copy. When you get on the desktop, it'll look like this. And these are not active. We're just playing around with the company account back here, trying to see what everything is and stuff like that, with the percentages and stuff. But as you log in, you'll simply just hit the affiliate section, and you can check pretty much everything. How to use the affiliate links and flyers. So that's something I can pull up here. So yeah, on the third one, you can see here this link here that we copy, it goes on to the flyer right here. So you get your own flyer and everything, just to let your community know that you're a part of the organization and they can order using your link. If we copy this link right here and we're to go to this link, paste and go, keep in mind that your name is at the end. That's how you know. If you hover over this link, you can see your name right here at the end of that link, and you can customize it too. So if you want to change that, let me pull it back up, 25264. I can change that right here. So you can change that in the back of the portal for your link. Just of course you would have to let us know so we can change it on your flyer and everything like that. Okay, so marketing tools available. So inside of the app as well, when you are on the home page, if you're looking to find your flyer, it'll be inside of the community groups, and it'll be, I'll show you both places it'll be. So in the community groups right here, you can go to the communities, and you can go to either the affiliate connect or the influencer connect group, and just scroll down, and you'll see like your flyer here, and yourself tagged back here, so you can pick it up from here, or we'll have it set up. Let's get back to the home screen down here, or we'll have it set up, and this is another place where to get to the affiliate, to get to the tools and other content that's available to share with others, to kind of show them some of the work that we've done that's not on Instagram and stuff like that. You want to come to the affiliate section right here, and it's kind of hard to get to it on the phone, because when you get to it on the phone, it's kind of back here like that, but it's in the media section right there. The programs and plans is all of our plans. The VVS media is the media, and then you can dive in here and save content to your phone. Okay, so going to the next thing, the product list, and then going into the best sellers, and then we'll wrap this video up. So the product list here, it's two ways. It's a few ways we can get to it. So if on your phone, on your computer desktop, just type in Cowboyyvvs, and right now we want to put this in this video to kind of show how to get to it. As of now, the affiliate program is geared towards the custom jewelry. The showroom is the product line, like where you can find a lot of our products that you'll see us promoting in the future. So if you hit showroom right here, it'll take you to the showroom. So right now, as you can see, it's only a few items in here that this is the only one that's probably correctly priced, excuse me. But everything else, we're working on the designs, working on the prices and everything like that. But you can kind of see, like, this will be the functionality of the showroom. We'll separate it a little bit better too, like all of the jewelry items separated from the clothes items. We'll get that call to action built out a little bit better. All of these things on the showroom site as well. The next section is best seller. So I'm gonna go back here. This is the main landing page. When they come to it, of course, this is our landing page. When somebody wants, and when you want to sign up one of your people as an affiliate, you want to take them to your link. But the best selling item right now, and a matter of fact, let me take the time, and I'll cut this out the video. Give me a second to pull up our product information. All right. So like I said, I'll go over each product and let you know which one is the top seller. So of course, we got the customs, we got the Cowboyyvvs grills, we have the repair center, we have Cowboy Care, which is like insurance for your pieces. There's 3 different tiers in Cowboy Care, and we have other products like the Diamondback Letterman. We're going to have our own watch brand, our own bracelets lines, all of these different things that are their own products. But for right now, the top seller is the custom pieces. So just sending leads to get customs is very lucrative. In the future, you'll have separate links for pretty much everything, which is why the affiliate portal will be so important. Let me get back over there to that. Might be over here, and if not, we'll just log in again right here. But it's one of the reasons why the affiliate portal will be so important, because all of your links to everything will be back here inside of the affiliate section. So let's just make sure we got everything, understanding why these items are popular. Yeah, so that'll be the last thing, and I'll wrap this video up. Understanding why all of the items are popular is simply because we have the technology to make these things easy. A lot of times getting a custom piece back in the Gap was just hard, just simply because of the language barrier and things of that nature. Is just hard sometimes. But adding technology into it, booking actual virtual appointments and things like that are why these things are really good. And we're online based, so we can always be giving a discount, a cool discount, which allows people to really feel better about the purchase, and just really being able to customize it to their liking. Same thing with the grills. Everything operates with that same level of organization, like where you can book on a calendar. Cowboy Care, you can just buy it. These products you can kind of just buy, but like the services products, you can book on a calendar, and a lot of people really like that about our products. So just going ahead and wrap this video up. I'm gonna be showing this screen here as we wrap it up. But like we said, video 3, product knowledge, getting started, understanding everything about logging into the back end of your affiliate portal, and making sure that you know how to maneuver through the Cowboyyvvs app, and just pretty much everything. I'll wrap it up by just being sure that you all understand the community groups as well. You can leave chats in there, talk to us in there, communicate in there as well, and we'll get back, of course, as soon as possible. Yeah, let's wrap this video up. Once again, if you're watching this inside of the app for the course Money Games, make sure that you mark this video as complete, and we'll see you in the next video. You always want to mark these videos as complete to assure that you're getting the progress that you necessarily need to get your certificate at the end. So be sure to do that, and we will